I'm Oliver Lanza, Director at Timage. I'm really excited to introduce this video where I talk about a recent project we undertook in a residential space. The client was looking for a luxurious but relaxed space. The new accommodation needed to offer the characteristics of a beautiful hotel room, such as high quality touch points, with a particular focus on attention to detail. It needed to keep any modern technology hidden and feature plenty of warm materials, natural tones, and a great lighting plan. The brief was clear. We knew we needed to firstly work with the architect to look to add the important touch points and integrate our products as best as possible. Suggestions were made to the architect and client regarding which items could be used, where and how. The lighting had been identified as a key component to the design, and therefore we focused a good deal of our attention on getting our luminaires integrated into the space as best as possible to create a large array of lighting settings to suit any mood or time of day. In terms of the request for warm materials and natural tones, we looked to complement the interior decor with our antique and plain brushed brass finishes. Understanding the other elements that the client had chosen for the space was really key to being able to offer complementary solutions. Finally, we then looked to bring together all the ideas and elements in our own distinct style. With generations of experience in the yacht sector, we approached the project with the same level of detail and planning to execute the scheme to our own high exacting standards. The dressing room is also the entrance to the space, and here we worked together with the architect and the client to take what could have been a slightly awkward area and make it a real feature of the accommodation. We didn't want this to just feel like an area you had to pass through to get to the real deal. It needed to be an introduction to the space and a tease for what's to come. The mass of storage is disguised behind lacquered door fronts in a gorgeous matte lava, and they're dressed beautifully with contrasting antique brass handles. The custom track light system running the entire length of the ceiling is one of the key features of the space, and it helps to create an exciting retail-like environment for the clothes storage. Upon opening the wardrobes, our attention to detail comes through once more. Integrated LED strip lighting and illuminated rails elevate the wardrobes to another level, a hotel meets yacht level of finish. Finally, low-level lighting balances the overhead track system and washes the oak flooring with a warm and welcoming courtesy light at night, and it draws the eye to the huge window overlooking the garden. Walking through the space, these details begin to jump out at you one by one as the garden view grows ever larger, and then upon turning the corner, you can really enjoy the great release to the fully vaulted bedroom area. The bedroom, I think, is a real success. I believe our fittings and ideas have helped answer the client's request for a calm space, but with a luxurious feel. Wall-mounted bedside luminaires in the same stunning brushed antique brass frame the bed beautifully and bring a practical reading light solution, doing away with the need for any table lamps. These fittings were carefully customised for this application. We adapted a standard product, added a backing plate to make installation simpler, and the same brass screw covers from the client-selected buster and punch switches, which are installed just below. The hanging track lights continue the look first introduced in the wardrobe area, and they offer a stunning general illumination when a greater level of light is required. Again, the fittings are finished in our antique brushed brass for a warm and natural look. The completely custom cable-hung system actually helps to accentuate the space created by the vaulted ceiling. I believe that one of the great successes in the space is the integration of our neon LED strip in the bedside shelving. We suggested that a false wall be created for the bed to sit against, and this would provide the depth for the shelving feature on both sides. Integrating the LED lighting in the way we have makes the feature invisible when off, but creates a stunning lighting effect at night. The ambient lighting on this circuit is beautiful and completely soft. The bathroom had a clear goal. The clients wanted to recreate that spa feeling. It needed to be an extremely practical space, whilst offering a sense of deep relaxation. The client chose the tiles and the vanity units for the project, and we brought our lighting and brassware to the space. The downlights were customised with a factory-painted bezel to ensure they remained as discreet as possible. Their anti-glare recessed LED modules were essential to guarantee that they fitted in with the spa-like brief. They are IP65 waterproof units and feature around 95 CRI Nikia chip technology. These are carefully positioned only exactly where required, such as over the toilet, shower and bath. Staying on the lighting theme, the basins have been illuminated by a recessed custom track light system, as featured elsewhere in the project. This synergy between the lighting styles of the rooms was very important and builds on the hotel room brief. The extensive use of hidden LED strip lighting is another key element and potentially the most impactful. Fully dimmable, this lighting provides a versatile and soft output, emitting beautifully from the shadow gap created in the ceiling and the niches both in the shower enclosure and above the bath. This product is an excellent example of us drawing upon our yacht experience to bring a high specification product to the architectural world. Typically found externally on yachts, the neon effect strip works well within its comfort zone in a bathroom and offers exceptional performance. Away from lighting, we look to accentuate the spa experience by using one of our large drench showers, finished in subtle white, and it features integrated LED lighting. A pair of wall-mounted basin mixers above his and hers basins ticks the practicality box and complements the tile choice beautifully. All the brassware is finished in our antique brushed brass finish to match the lighting, and we even went to the trouble of finishing the client-sourced heated towel rail in the same finish to make sure nothing looked out of place. A great example of our attention to detail. Surely one of the standout features of the bathroom has to be the floor-to-ceiling vanity mirror. Completely custom for this project, the mirror is height adjustable and can rotate. The glass is lit with a fully dimmable LED system, handily operated via remote. It's a statement piece and one of a kind. To cap off the spa-like feeling, we extended the custom install audio system into the bathroom, making use of our marine-grade exterior speakers from UK leader Bowes & Wilkins. High-quality audio can be streamed into the space, and the system is as discreet as possible, important for the hidden technology brief. This project offers an excellent insight into how our products can not only fit into a scheme, but also enhance it. I think it also demonstrates our strengths as a business, delivering high-quality hardware and lighting, but with an extra level of service you would never normally expect from a distributor. We liaise with the client and architect to help bring together their concepts. Using our own experience, we were able to help in the product selection, offer the right finishes, and in some cases, totally customized products. We look at the project as a whole, supplying a wide variety of items to offer a harmonious scheme. Even the in-ground exterior lights come from our collection. We've always used the phrase, we're more than just a catalogue. And now you've seen this project, you can see why. But this is just one example of how we work with architects and designers to achieve their goals and elevate their projects.